Today we're going to explore a brand new style by Belle Tress and their City collection. It's a short little flippy layered pixie style called Roma. I have it in two colors. We're going to do an unboxing coming up. Finally, some really pretty short styles coming from Belle Tress, where we're used to seeing those long, lush, decadent styles. I'm really excited about Roma. Now remember, you can find this right here at Wig Studio One. If you go below the video and expand the description box, there'll be a direct product link there. If you click on the link, it'll take you directly to the site where you can see all of the colors, details, and pricing. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. So you can just see it's an abundance of layering everywhere, but not only are there layers, they have a slight flip to them, which I really enjoy because that's just to me a little bit more playful, less sophisticated. It gives me that casual look that I really love, and it does seem very super easy to wear. Right in the front, anywhere from 4 to 7 inches. And they're light wispy layers around the face, feathering down into the longer lengths. Overall, right around 9 inches, and it does have very ample nape coverage. Now you notice that it seems like it's very voluminous, but that's not coming from volume or permatease. That's just because of the flippy nature of this. Now these styles are made from the heat-friendly fiber by Belle Tress. It's soft, silky, buttery feeling, nice and separated, and it's very easy to manipulate. So if you wanted a lower volume look, a lower profile, you could certainly do that. Because again, very light on permatease, virtually no permatease at all. And the density is just super light. Now what I like to do is just take my fluffing fingers, these back fingers here, just bring air into it, fleshing out that adorable style. Love it. Now this one has an extended lace front and left monofilament side part. Getting up close to it, it's just done spectacularly. Belle Tress has come so far with their lace. It's a soft lace, it hugs the head, it's not shiny, and it's seamless right back through the ear tab there, which gives you the opportunity to take it away from the face in a very natural way. Look how chic that looks for your updos for evening. It only weighs about 3 ounces. It feels really lightweight on the head. Let's take a moment here and discuss this crushed almond R. It's a light blonde. There's some sandy elements to it, which are quite neutral, and then that is interspersed with some platinum or some cool ash, pale ash blonde, and that really tempers the sandiness to it. So it is neutral, leaning a little bit cool, but you're not without some of those warmer elements. So it's a beautiful, creamy, neutral blonde shade, and this one does have more of a darker root on it. All right, let's do our unboxing then of Roma in Raw Sugar Blonde. Everybody's familiar with the Belle Tress packaging, nothing new here. Okay, remove the net. And let's do a quick look at the inside of the cap before I do anything else. There's that temple to temple extended lace front. Seamless back into a very long left mono part. Look at the parting space, very wide parting space. You can definitely see through that finer lace arrangement. Nice velvety ear tab. An extended nape with the Velcro style adjusters. Now what I can tell you is I had to cinch this in just a little bit to accommodate a petite average circumference. So there it is right out of the box. Pretty wild, right? And you can expect this with a multi-layered shag like this. You just have to situate it in a way that you're gonna like. Oh, it's so cute, isn't it? Oh, this is right up my alley for sure. I love how shaggy and stacked this back is. Now the front, you can actually pull it down over the forehead in a flat way like this, or you can expose that lace front just to do a little bit of an up and over. The other ones seem to be more conducive to my hand maneuvers compared to this one, but it wouldn't take much at all to get an up and over look. So I'm going to undo this part a little bit. Sometimes just by raking through those roots really wakes up the fiber. And cute as can be. Get a nice ear tuck there. I really love the profile on this one. And I love the flexibility because it doesn't have a ton of permatease. We can get a lower profile if we want. Beautiful bang hair just scoots right over the eyebrow. It's never in the eyes. All right, let's discuss this raw sugar blonde. So raw sugar blonde starts with a light, kind of a light neutral brown. You're gonna see some pale neutral blonde and some gold blonde in there as well. So I feel like this one is quite neutral, leaning warm. And then there is a medium brown root. Love this color and really liken it to colors like 12FS8 by John Renault. Gorgeous. All right, let me take you outside and we're going to look at both of these colors in outdoor light. Then we'll do some styling for Roma. So let's do some styling for Roma, but first I want to check glasses. Beautiful. I have never met a Belle Tress style that didn't work well with my glasses. And this one is no exception because there's limited permatease in the area. Gorgeous. So I'll move it around and get you familiar with this layering, the movement, the density, and inspire you to style your wigs. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at TAZS's Wig Closet.